Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use dynamic zoom in DaVinci Resolve. So as you can see, I already imported my video and I even dragged it, then I dropped it in the time frame just like that. So right now I'm going to be showing you how to use the dynamic zoom in DaVinci Resolve. So to do that, basically I'll put my cursor where I want the dynamic zoom to apply. So I want the dynamic zoom to apply there. Basically I'll tap on the video, then I right click. So when I right click on the video, I come to video section there. Now I'll come to the scale because it is a scale that I'm going to use to make the dynamic zoom. Okay, so I'll increase the scale at this point. Okay, then I'll make that dynamic zoom at that point. Then what I'll need to do is quite simple. Just tap on the add keyframe there and it will apply right away. Okay, so now I'll move this cursor, move it to a time frame right there. So at this point again I'll add another dynamic zoom. Now again I'll do the same thing, come to scale, then increase the scale a bit. Okay, so you tap on this video, now come to scale, then increase it a bit. Okay, now tap on this one here that says add keyframe. Alright, so now I've finished adding my dynamic zoom in this video clip. So let's play it again and see the difference now. Okay, so I'll start from this video here. Okay, so as you can see, that is the dynamic zoom right there. Okay, so again it reduces a bit, then it comes back just like that. Okay, so that's how basically you can add, or that's how basically you can use dynamic zoom in DaVinci Resolve. So thank you for watching guys. Until next time, we shall meet.